Okay guys, tayo ay maglalaro ng ating
Yes, you are. Look,
Steam Deck LCD
you have to feel some sort of obligation to me, so you get her to Tommy's.
The Last of Us.
They're here. Damn it. I can buy you some time, but you have to run.
Guys,
You want us to just leave you here?
Yes.
There's no way that...
I will not turn into one of those things. Come on.
so ito ay mga Quack Games.
It's easy for me.
Basic muna tayo. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga games na na-download natin. The Last of Us Part 1. Marami tayo. Forza Horizon 5. Playable yan guys. So, quick lang. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Medyo matagal lang siya mag-load. Kasi mga Quack Games to eh. Ito naman, running. Running siya guys. See, nice na yan. Wow! Lupit talaga ang Steam Deck. Mapa LCD man o OLED yan. Check out na tayo. Nakita ko lang sa inyo guys. Exit game muna tayo. Oops. Exit game. Forza Horizon. Meron din tayong Red Dead Redemption 2. Yeah baby. Playable din guys. Rockstar. Out muna tayo guys. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung ating mga games is working. So, hindi ko na siya gaano isa-isahin. Meron tayo Ubisoft dito, Launcher, Battle.net, Far Cry 6. Yan. So playable din yan guys. Resident Evil 4. Meron din tayo niyan. Meron tayong Sekiro. Game of the Year. Sekiro. Meron din tayong PUBG. Hindi ko gaano nilalaro yan. Village. Meron tayong Resident Evil Village. Ito naman guys, ang ating mga meron din tayong Lords of the Fallen. Lahat siya working. Hindi ko na lang isa-isahin. Medyo NBA 2-3. Wala pa tayong 24. So pwede pa yan. Wala pala tong wala pala siyang music team, no? Lagyan natin. Guys, kung gusto nyo lagyan ng music team yung tala kayo dito sa wait lang. Hanap tayo ng maganda-gandang team. Music team natin.
Hand off back to Luka. Boucher, look at what he's done over 13 seconds to go. Hand off back.
You can't argue that Stephen Curry.
Ito yung NBA 23 kagad. Team song.
Board members.
Lord of the Pollens, lagyan din natin to ng team music, no? Dapat pala siyang team music. So, search natin. Hanap tayo. Sa Decky Loader lang to, bro.
Hello guys and welcome
guys.
to Lords of the Fallen. A big thanks to Hexworks who hooked me up with a Ages Past.
Pwede na yan. Basta meron. Diba? Basta yan, guys. Meron tayo Assassin's Creed. Bahala. Spider-Man. Tapos ko na to Miles Morales. The best. One of the best. So guys, pakita ko sa inyo dual boot to, no? Meron tayong hindi pala, wait lang. Naglo-loading pa, nag-ano pala ako sa SSD ko, sa SD card ko. Da-download pala ako ng Cyberpunk. So mamaya dual boot to boss ay mga guys na naka Windows to. So yun lang. Ay siyan, peace out.